decal paper. Set quality to maximum, high quality. Select glossy photo paper design onto specific decal paper. This tells the printer exactly how to ink the decal sheet dry smudging for at least 30 minutes. Do not touch it yet. Once printed, do not touch it. The ink is unstable and needs protection. Let it air dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Spray 2 or 3 ultralight crossed coats of gloss acrylic clear coat from 20 to 25 centimeters away. Don't rush. Let it cure for 4 to 6 hours.